We're Smallpeice, the charity that thinks learning should be fun and easy to get hold of.
And today we're thinking inside the box.
Just because the picture on the box says STEM, so science, technology, engineering or maths, it doesn't mean what's inside is.
So we're the non-STEM experts opening up the contents.
And getting STEM experts to put what's inside to the test.
Making sure the small people in your life have fun and learn a little STEM on the way. So we now have the Science and Play Climber edition. So this one looks pretty interesting, but I can't put my finger on what's supposed to be climbing. It's like a bug
Oh.
or something.
Oh, no. It does have rope on this side. So like a sloth that goes along, maybe.
Green robotic sloth.
No, to be honest with you, they're going to go something faster than a sloth, aren't they?
This one's made for 8+, and it does have the word STEM written on the box. So we've got high hopes for this one.
Yeah, it's also, it's the Science Museum though, isn't it? Like, it's a good brand. Use scissors responsibly.
Yeah.
There you go. It's a pretty straightforward box. So
Lots of plastic bags.
yeah, so this I would say is the main mechanics.
So this is the body, and there also is rope in there. So if you're ever wondering
Where's
what's
climbing?
this going to climb,
There
it gives
it
you the
is.
rope.
You've got the,
God.
I'm going to go with these are the instructions. Instructions for correct use of toys with replaceable batteries.
Okay.
Like how to dispose of it, instructions for battery disposal. It's the kind of health and safety stuff.
Yeah.
I would put this stuff at the bottom.
Me too.
Like these are the actual instructions.
Yes.
What
else is in the box, Helen?
Love a sticker.
Oh, you can decorate it yourself.
I mean, within reason. I mean, you can always decorate it with a Sharpie, but
True. If you're feeling adventurous.
so I would say, so I'm going to just put the stickers to one side as well. The instruction booklet. Oh. That is, oh no, I was going to say that is very small, but it's quite.
It's quite easy to follow.
Should we have a go?
Yeah, let's do it.
The thing is, we don't have a battery, so it won't necessarily climb. These are relatively easy to put in, she says. So she actually has to do one that looks harder. So each side has like these little spiky bits and then the other side, so they're just kind of snapping together. I'm not entirely sure that this build really gives it anything.
No.
It's quite like a basic build.
Yeah. Believe in you, Helen? What's next?
Oh.
Turn it upside down?
No, it's the more complicated bit, I'm so sorry.
This is a bit fiddly on some of these, which is interesting. I'm getting a bit defeated by...
That might be why it's an A+, because to be honest with you, I don't think that this is that difficult. Maybe they don't have the fingers for it, you know, like the strength to push stuff in. So therefore maybe it's an 8 to 18.
You say it's a 21-year-old.
Yeah, can't do it. Oh, that's so cute. So you clip this onto something,
Yep.
and then you put the string between the two plates. Done it.
Oh. Almost.
Not even close. There you go. Right. Yeah. Okay, so this is a bit tricky. Oh yeah.
There you go.
Okay, so we've done it, but I'm assuming it would go up and down, up and down.
Yeah.
I am massively underwhelmed. I'm not entirely sure how this one's meant for me to be an engineer.
It's quite a long piece of string.
Yeah. Well, I think the idea is it's got some welly on it and it will go.
Hopefully.
Let's pull it up. And so it should be able to climb along the string. I would say I don't really understand how this kid would get you into STEM.
No, because you're just watching something climb.
Yeah.
We'll go and talk to our STEM experts
And see what they've got to say. We're underwhelmed, I would say.
Yeah, 100%.
Underwhelmed. So, I think the word of the day on this one is underwhelmed.
Yeah.
Definitely disappointed from the Science Museum. It was an interesting exercise to put it together, but that didn't take long. We didn't really feel that it wowed us from the engineering.
Our STEM experts said the same, didn't they? I think they just said, I think the engineering is pretty much done in the battery, which we can't see. So,
and the fact that it was just so weirdly not engineering the final product. So they get the robotics of it, but difficult to relate. So we won't be giving this to a school. We're going to be giving it to the Helping Hands charity shop, which is local. Thank you very much.
thank you.